Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the generic scalp serum fortified with Redensil Pro Capsule and hair growth serum. So as you can see, this is from Bontress. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just like drops for your head to help you grow your hair back. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, there isn't any reviews here on Amazon as of the moment. But I found this post here on Reddit, which asks, "Does Bontress Pro Serum work?" One honest review, currently at stage 3 male pattern baldness. So this person is a female, and it worked for her. And how many times did you apply this? I'm planning to apply blah blah blah. Yes, always apply on a clean scalp and works for her. So this also another person said it works. It's the only non-prescription treatment that really works, especially for men. But for straight female baldness, you'll need micro needling alongside. It's a lifelong commitment, a curse many of us men have to deal with. So if you have severe baldness, this is not gonna work. However, I would advise you to actually consult with your dermatologist and with your doctor first before actually buying and taking this product, since it may not be working and it may be a waste of money, and it may be causing you to lose more hair. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.